Riu ti hidari theru na no muhaka Kenya makoro mari maitho na mehuge thutha wa namba ya aria manyitetwo ni murimu wa corona guthii na mbere kuongerereka umuthi namba ino ikigutha andu 50.
Apart from those in mandatory quarantine, we have also tested an additional 88 samples of close contacts of the 42 confirmed cases. Out of this number, we have received confirmation of 6 patients who have tested positive for the coronavirus disease, and an additional 1 patient from the Aga Khan hospital. This now brings the total number of confirmed cases in the last 24 hours to 8. The total number of confirmed cases now stands at 50 in the country.
Mwiri ukinyiririo kwihuga na njira nene guku ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ikihithuria mibango ya gikiro kia iguru ni gukorwo ikigathikwo. Ministry ya githomo giatho yethe thukuru 20 ro county irigihuthika kuiga arwaru na ikwirwo a murimu uyu.
Do not appreciate that there are very many countries without boarding schools or very few boarding schools. These boarding school facilities for us can take as many as 300,000. There are at least 300,000 boarding students in Kenya. And therefore, the boarding schools on their own can take quite a number of patients. But having said that, we are also saying that even the fields, even airport hangars are available to us for that purpose.
Umuthi county ya Kitui kiandikithia ripoti ya mbere guku arwaru aria mumite county ni ya Nairobi magithie na mbere kuongerereka, undu uria utumire minister kagwathane andu aria maikaraga Nairobi metheme gutafania thafari cia icagi-ini.
Wale watu ambao wako Nairobi, watu wakaaji wa Nairobi, sasa tunamsihi mkae Nairobi, msianze kutembea, msiende popote. Msiende Ushago, msiende kutembea Mombasa ama pahali pengine, kwa sababu sana sana kwanza Ushago huko ndio kina mama wanakaa, wazee ndio wanakaa, na hivi virusi inaonyesha ya kwamba mzee akiipata kupona ni ngumu, sio kama vijana. Kwa hivyo sisi wale ambao ni vijana, mkiwa hamtaki kuua wale wazee, basi kaeni hapa Nairobi.
Thutha wa ndege iria ciumaga mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja kũrũgamio rĩu nĩ ũtheri atĩ aingĩ arĩa maranyitwo nĩ mũrimũ ũyũ maragwatĩrio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Kagwa akiuga harĩ bata Kenya gũkorwo marĩ maitho na matige kũmaĩrĩria.
Wale watu ambao wameambukizwa si ni wale walitembea ama ni wageni. Sasa ni kusema ya kwamba virusi iko hapa nchini na inaenea. Kwa hivyo ni kusema ni lazima tujikinge na ni lazima tujitayarishe kupigana na hii virusi na njia ya juu zaidi.
King'uki gĩkĩ gĩa corona kĩhutĩtie mabũrũri maingĩ thĩ yothe na Gukinyiria rĩu andũ makiria ma ngiri 700 marĩ na mũrimũ ũyũ na andũ ngiri 38 nĩ makuĩte kumana na homa ĩno ya corona.
Modeling puts us at having about 1,000 cases by the first week of April, and we postulate that we'll have 5,000 cases by mid-April and potentially 10,000 cases by 30th of April. So those are the figures that we are working with in terms of how we preposition our personal protective equipment, how we preposition our test kits, how we preposition our human resource, and how we preposition our isolation and quarantine facilities.